Hello, so my name's Zach, and I'm just going to be going over what IoT is real quick. So, what exactly is IoT? So, IoT is pretty much just the Internet of Things, and what that pretty much means is that it's this huge network, and it's pretty much connecting virtually everything, and it's pretty much all these devices collecting and sharing data and really just being able to really share data, as it says, with one another and being able to help businesses and individuals make better decisions. So anything from like traffic reports being able to be transferred to airports to like help them judge times for liftoff, something like that, random. But yeah. So who exactly is using IoT right now? So a lot of first world countries within the world are starting to use IoT. It's still a relatively new thing, but even companies are starting to use and set up IoT and like even prepare to like introduce it into their workspace. And eventually, governments and education systems will also introduce this. So where exactly is IoT found? So three SDGs that's currently found and are going to be used for is quality education. So with, like I said, it spreads a lot of information. Different schools and systems can share information with one another and even connecting teachers and parents more often so that way they're able to understand the student situation. And then affordable and clean energy. We have already electric autonomous vehicles and then being able to connect them with every single vehicle will really help out, like narrow down on the wrecks or anything like that. So, and then they share data with one another in that. And then industry innovation and infrastructure. It's a huge avenue for innovation there's a ton of data transfer, ton of innovation opportunities across industries where different industries are not limited to just like their certain industry. They are able to look at data from multiple industries. So why should we use it? So looking at the SWOT analysis, we have strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. We have innovation here with like vast opportunity, as I said before, and then just the sharing of info and connecting everything. And then some weaknesses it has is the reliability of it. It's relatively new. It has a lot of you need a lot of technical expertise to run it, and it can be costly. There's endless possibilities with it. That, as I said, say a ton. There's a ton of data transfer. Autonomous vehicles is a huge opportunity for it, and just a ton of innovation in almost every industry. And then some threats are stuff like customer trust, unreliability, media portrayal, security. With a lot of the stuff that we're studying, that's going to be a lot of our threats. And then we should expect IoT to be honestly within the next 5 to 10 years. And again, as I said, these are some of the barriers that kind of restrict it. And so with Sweden, we can use it with education, healthcare, and autonomous vehicles. And again, that kind of goes back to the SWOT analysis and just looking at the barriers and enablers and just how all this data transfer and connectivity with one another can really benefit companies and different systems. So yeah, that's it.